Tunisian people are connected to Premier League through Nesma TV, which broadcasts the most of its matches. We are situated in Kerkena Island, located next to Sfax, and we know the Blackburn Rovers team via Premier Skills project. Premier Skills is an innovative development program made in collaboration with Premier League and the British Council. Where are we? Tunisia is a country in Africa. It is bordered by Algeria to the west, Libya to the southeast, and Mediterranean Sea to the north and east. Kerkena Islands are a group of islands lying off the east coast of Tunisia. The islands are low-lying, being no more than 13 meters above sea level. Kerkena's main town is Ramla. Fishing is also a key industry for Kerkena. Who are we? We are Hamouda couple, Fatan and Reba. We are teachers in Tunisia. We have participated as translators in Premier Skill project. In this occasion, we have known more about the Premier League, especially Blackburn Rovers team, through the contact with Claire Newton. As a personal work made after this training, we have elaborated an interactive application named Learn Football English with Captain Rebah, in which we have created some pedagogical activities to learn more football vocabularies. In this application, we have treated several items such as the signification of the words FIFA, referee, stadium, player, fans, coach, team, etc. Also, we have mentioned the different football players' positions and the different referee materials. We apply this project in Hain Nour School in Tunisia, and we get excellent results with the young pupils who were so enthusiastic to learn more about Premier League. What connects us to the Premier League? England is a country that is part of the United Kingdom. It shares land borders with Scotland to the north and Wales to the west. It's connected to Tunisia by Nesma is a TV channel that has a range covering Tunisia, Morocco, Algeria, Libya and Mauritania. It broadcasts Premier League football matches. Connection with Blackburn Rovers. Claire Newton, active community officer who was a coach in the Premier Skill project in Tunisia, has attracted us to Blackburn Rovers team. Blackburn Rovers Football Club is an English Premier League football club based in the town of Blackburn, Lancashire. The club was established in 1875, becoming a founding member of the Football League in 1988.